Hey guys, welcome to One Kitchen. I'm Julia. It is time for a bit of a different chicken salad here in Denmark. Normally we make chicken salad with some asparagus, some bacon, some mushrooms, and then just in a base with salt and pepper, sour cream and mayonnaise, or a curry version, which is also so good. But today I'm going to be doing it a bit different. I'm going to make some chicken thighs in the oven with a homemade dry rub. And that would just give my chicken salad such a delicious flavor. I'm also going to serve them up. I'm also going to serve the chicken salad up in some sandwiches with some crispy chicken skin. It is so delicious, so let's get started. My oven is set to 160 degrees C convection oven, or at about 320 degrees Fahrenheit convection. In a little bowl or box I have some all-around spice, sugar, cumin and some salt, and just mix it together. In an oven-proof dish I have 4 chicken thighs, and as you can see I have removed the skin because we're going to save that for later. Just add the rub on top and then just use your fingers to rub it in just a little bit. Add some water to the baking dish. And crush a broth cube over. And I'm just using a vegetable broth cube, but you can also use chicken. Place it in the oven for 2 hours, and once every 20 minutes you open the oven, take a spoon and then just pour over some of that delicious broth or water you have in your tray just over the chicken, and do that every 20 minutes. My chicken is done in the oven, and it's just all about pulling it apart from the bones. I'm going to set my chicken into the fridge to cool down for about an hour. My oven is still at 160 degrees C convection oven, or at about 320 degrees Fahrenheit convection. I placed my 4 chicken skins on a baking dish with some parchment paper on. Just sprinkle over some salt, add on some more parchment paper, and then kind of like a light baking tray or baking dish on top to kind of keep the chicken skin in place. Bake the chicken skin in the oven for around 25 minutes. Look how deliciously crispy it gets. Ready to make my chicken salad. I placed all of my shredded chicken or pulled chicken in a bowl. Chop red onion and bell pepper, then in with lots of sour cream, mayonnaise, and give it a stir. I find that there's enough spices in my rub, so I'm not going to add in any salt or pepper, but you can easily do that if you want to have more flavor in. When it's all well mixed, I'm ready to assemble my sandwiches. I just have some ciabatta buns I've heated up in the oven. I have also prepared some cucumber slices. Just assemble them, and I'm going to use 2 chicken skins in each sandwich. And then top it off with some chopped parsley. Look at this bad boy, guys. It is huge and looking so good, but I'm going to remove my lipstick before tasting because I know I cannot dig into this without making it completely red from my lipstick. So I'm just going to remove this, then I will be back tasting this delicious sandwich. It is way too amazing to eat in front of you guys on the camera, but yum! It is so good. So I'm going to stop the video now so I can sit down and eat this and enjoy it. It is so delicious. All ingredients are down below as always, and don't forget to subscribe here so don't miss out on any videos in the future. Bye!